Okay, so I told you some of my poems, but now I'm going to start what to do. So you guys are going to close your eyes and see what I'm going to take. And you're going to know. And then when I start my song, that's when you can record. But now we're putting the mobiles down. Don't put your mobile down. Keep it on there. And I want you to all really close your eyes. No. Now you can open. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Now we're going to close your eyes, okay? We know
Why?
what? Because we know what is healthy now. And something else is healthy. And it's going to be with apple. Now you can open your eyes. I like to eat apples and orange. I like to eat apples and orange. Now we know two things what's healthy with apple. Because apple is more healthy than those. Because it makes a much of pump. It makes it strong. If we don't eat the sweet apple, then it will make us sick. So we need to eat healthy fruits and one chocolate at a day.
Only one chocolate?
Yeah. If we eat so many chocolates at a day, it will make us sick and cavities. And after eating so many chocolate fruits, teeth and eggs. That's when we're going to close your eyes again. It's what's healthy with apple. You can open your eyes. I like to eat apple and plums. I like to eat apple and plums.
Mickey,
Wait.
why to eat that?
Hey. Up to my song is finished. So, now we learned 3 things that's a good life. If you don't eat plum and apple and banana and apple and orange and apple, it will make it become problem. And when let's say if we aren't able to go in school, or if we cough in school, then our other friends might get sick. So we're not going to go. We're not going to eat so many candies. So that's what we're going to eat healthy fruits with apple. So now I want to, and now we're almost done of the song. And we're going to know what it is. But it's going to be really long. It's going to finish in the evening.
Okay. You have any other fruit?
Yeah.
Which you haven't told?
Yeah.
Yeah, show us that.
Alright, but I want you to close your eyes because I'm going to turn and you may see those. And it's the secret, that's why. You can open your eyes. I like to eat kiwis and apple. I like to eat apple and kiwi. I like to eat apple and kiwi. I like to eat apples and kiwi. These fruits make me all strong, healthy, and I can eat from an apple or kiwi. Or orange. These are the healthy fruits I need to eat. And I like them all because they are sweet.
What's your name?
Yakshita.